Enjoy your ride on the Jumpers Jinx.
Oh, cool. This best. Alright, guys. When I say ooh, you say ah, ooh.
Projectiles while the ride is in motion, so for the safety of all.
Welcome back. Hope you enjoy the ride at the Jinx. If you have any articles in the comments, let's collect them once today. Look at this, check out how we're doing right next to it. You guys have fun? That's good to hear. That's good to hear.
That's because I probably wanted to watch.
Oh, clear. This best. Simon says, scream. Yellow line, please take 2 steps back. Oh, hold on. I'm seeing a lot of blue shirts over here. What's happening? What's happening? Yeah. They're back. Tell it's all good.
Mobile devices can become projectiles while the ride is in motion, so for the safety of all guests, please leave all such devices in a cubby or with a non-rider.
You guys have fun? All right, I see a lot of excited faces. Okay. Inversions are now open.